Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kathy here, coming at you with my accountability challenge. Happy Thursday! We're getting it in. I'm bringing my little with me today. He's riding his bike. It's a beautiful day here on the East Coast. And if you didn't already know, I get in 2 workouts a day, 7 days a week. And I bring you on one of those workouts with me, which is the walk. And just wanted to continue that conversation, which I think is a huge one, especially right now with society and the way things have changed, the dynamics of people's families, relationships, and some people working from home, schooling from home, etc. Everybody's kind of drifted, even though they've had this time at home, and unfortunately, health has really declined. And really bringing your family with you for some of these workouts is what's going to help strengthen the family dynamic and also create that health once again and fitness with family. So just wanted to continue that conversation. You'll hear me talk about this very often because number one, family is everything, and number two, your health is so important. You're getting healthy because you want to live a long life. You want longevity, right? You want longevity with your family. So if you leave somebody out on that journey, then there could be repercussions. So bring the family in on the journey. You'll see really great rewards. You have a great connection. Get to watch them thrive and grow, and get to build a little bond, a little time together, especially with the weather. Get out there and do what you can do to strengthen those relationships. Keep being awesome. Keep showing up for you. Share your success stories. I look forward to hearing about them, and we'll check back in tomorrow.